Hello, good evening, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Mary TV here. So this is an app you can use to get cheap Airtel data for yourself. Alright, you'll be struggling to get cheap data from Airtel. This video is for you. So watch to the end to know how you can use this particular app to get cheap Airtel data for yourself. So this video is strictly for people using Airtel network. So you can check the description of this video. I've made videos on how you can get cheap data from MTN and Glo. Let's dive right into it. Let me not waste much of your time. So when you open the app, it will bring you to this interface. So what you need to do is to click on data. Click on data. And then this particular interface is strictly on MTN, which is right here. So click on this arrow and then change it to Airtel. So you select the network you want to buy the data for. Okay, so we are buying for Airtel, so you click on Airtel. So it has changed to Airtel, as you can see. So what you need to do next is to come to this particular section which is written recommend data offers. So the first one there, you can use 250 naira to get 1 gigabyte, and it's valid for 1 day. They're giving you 50% off from the normal amount, which is 500 naira, as you can see right here. But now they're giving you for 250 naira. As you can see, this data is very cheap. All right, so the next one here is you're getting 250 MB with just 250 naira. Okay, and it's going to be lasting for 7 days. For you to get this particular recommend data offers, the first one, the 1 gig for 250 naira, is starting from 7:30 in the morning. Okay, once it's past 7:30, this data is not going to work. Then the second one is starting from 8:30 in the morning. So the next cheap data you're going to be getting for yourself is down here. You scroll downwards and then you come down. Then this one is for night plans. So those of you using night to do your browsing and everything, if you're good with night plans, you can go with this particular one. So you're getting 250 MB for 1 day with just 50 naira. So if you're good with this cheap data plan, you can just go to it. The next cheap data you're going to be getting from Airtel here on this app is to click on daily. Click on daily. And then here you're using 75 naira to get 75 MB, and then the next one you're using 50 naira to get 250 MB. I think we've talked about this before. All right, so that is it for this particular offer. So the next cheap data you're going to be getting from this particular app is clicking on this 3 months plus plan. Click on it. So these are the 3 plans that are available. The first one here is, instead of using 50,000 naira, you're using 49,901 naira to get 300 gigabytes, and they're going to give you 500 naira cashback. That cashback you can use to buy airtime or even data. Okay, so the next offer here is you're getting 350 gigabytes for 120 days with just 59,901 naira instead of 60,000 naira. So here, the last one here, you're going to be getting 650 gigabytes with just 99,901 naira instead of 100,000 naira. I think this is for business owners. So if you're using data to do your business, this is very good for you. This offers is going to be brilliant and beautiful for you. So this is where you can get cheap data from this particular app. The next section you're going to be getting cheap data from this Airtel is on social. Click on social here. So if you want to buy data for any of the social plans, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you can just come to this particular social section. So you're using 100 naira to get 200 MB, and it's going to be lasting for 2 days. All right, the second one, you're getting 1 gigabyte for 300 naira, and it's going to be valid for 3 days. All right, so this plan is very, very good. Okay, so this particular app that you're getting cheap data from is OPay. The name of this app is OPay. So you can go into the app. If you're not signed in, you can sign in and register, and then you're good to go. All right, so if this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on it, and of course share this video so that YouTube will push and recommend this video to a whole lot of people who do not know about this app that you can get cheap Airtel data from. So that is it, guys, for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.